What kind of home can you buy in Seattle around $800,000? Hi everybody, it's Maggie. Today I'm in Shoreline. So this area is really conveniently located. It's only 5 minutes driving to Costco and is really close to some street malls like Fred Meyer. And the good thing about this location is it's within 1 mile to the new light rail station. So it's very convenient. So this townhome actually locates in an older community. So as you can see, it's surrounded by some single-family homes that was built around 1970s. So Shoreline has a lot of new built townhomes like this one. And this one was built in 2021. It has 3 bedrooms, 3.25 baths. It has 3 levels and then 1 parking garage on the first floor. And this home is very modern. The square footage is around 1,800 square feet. It does have a very cute fenced-off yard at the back. Let's go and check it out. Coming through the front door, this is a very typical Seattle modern townhomes. Through this door, this is the 1-car garage. And then in this way, there is a full bath and a bedroom. So the full bathroom is basically slightly used, and we did repaint the whole interior wall, so it looks like new. And then this way, so this is not a very big room, but you can definitely make it a guest bedroom or an office, just like how we stage it. And then here has a pretty big closet on this way. And through the patio door, here's the good part of this townhome. So although this is officially a townhome and you do share walls with the neighbors, but you do own this land, and this whole fenced off area is for you to entertain, have more outdoor space. And then also this whole unit doesn't have any HOA, so you can do whatever you want. So coming to the second floor, this is the main living area. This is great ceiling height. It's 9 feet, so the whole space looks very spacious and bright. Here is a guest bathroom, just a half a bath, which is very convenient. And here is the formal dining area, and I think you can easily fit in like 6 to 8 seats here. If that's not enough, through the patio door, here's a great balcony, like an extended entertainment area or a dining area. You can have your barbecue here, and then even if you like to do something here, maybe put a big window so that is more, indoor kind of feeling, you can do that. There's no HOA. Coming through this way, in the center here, this is the very modern kitchen. I love the huge island here, very convenient and practical. So the cabinet has this very neutral gray color and then matches the white cabinet on the top, and then backsplash here is very classic. So the whole look is very luxurious. Of course, there's no real gas here in this unit, so you can enjoy cooking with very safe environment. And it's also connected to the vent to the roof. So if you do want to, in the future, get a ranch hood, you can. And then next to the kitchen, here is a very cozy corner, I think, for TV and then family gathering. So you can definitely put your TV right here. It's a great spot for families to enjoy sometime in the evenings. So on the third floor here, it has 2 bedrooms. You can make this one your primary, or you can make the other one your primary. Similar size. This one does have a very big walk-in closet here. So I think it's hard to find a townhome that has such a big walk-in closet, really. And then on this side, so the good thing about this unit also is it does have 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So like this one, it has its own bathroom. It has a shower, very luxurious modern shower door, and then it also has tiles from the flooring and then all the way to the ceiling. Let's check out the other bedroom. So this bedroom is similar size, like I said, and very bright, although it doesn't have very good privacy, but it has blinds at all the windows. That's something that my client actually spent a lot of money on. And then this bedroom, like I said, also has its own bathroom and does have a bathtub inside. So I really like the location of this home. It is very conveniently located, but also it's surrounded by a lot of residential homes. Shoreline doesn't have the best safety score and everything, but this community seems pretty all right. And then the floor plan of this home is another thing. And it has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and it has another half a bath on this floor. So I really like how practical this floor plan is. We are going to put this on the market today, and the listing price is $820,000. We're going to host open houses this weekend. If you're interested, come and take a look. I'm Maggie. I'll see you next time.